Good evening, guys. Just doing another YouTube vlog for you lot. About walk down the main street here. Here's the souvenir shop here. The sun is slowly setting now. Sunset is 6:45, of course. The souvenir shop. Of course, I want to say a big thank you for 695 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone. Please, let's try and hit 900-1,000 subscribers by the summer, please, guys. All over. One more day left, guys. But here, one more full day here in Paradise. Then on Wednesday I leave Corralejo at 4 o'clock in the afternoon to get to the airport. So of course, right now, guys, the temperature is currently 19 degrees. A bit fresh and a strong wind like we got at the moment. Been a good holiday, it really has. Made a lot of new friends, so thank you to everyone that I have met. I'm so grateful to everyone that has subscribed to my YouTube channel. It means so much. Thank you. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing these kind of vlogs for you. So thank you. Hope you can hear me. It's bloody windy. The sun's setting over there. Yeah, it's mega windy. That's right over there. Sorry about this, guys, it's very windy. Of course, now for this evening is chilling, but I'm going out and have dinner with my mates at 7:30. Then I'm off in Flicks tonight for my second to last night out partying, of course, so another hangover tomorrow. Of course, but I don't care because I'm on holiday. This is life, this is what you do. Anyway, just over here to the right is Burger King, pet station and Burger King. This is what the prices are for the petrols and that here. Burger King really need to clean their flags and put new one on. Look how tatty they are, so disgusting. That Burger King, guys, over there. Oh, don't know what we're doing tomorrow, guys, yet, but we're going to be doing something probably cool tomorrow with my mate David and Harry. We're going to do some cool stuff tomorrow, I think we are. Don't know what we're going to do. Right, so guys, please go and subscribe to my mate YouTube channel called No Mountain Brothers. And also go and subscribe to my mate YouTube channel called Timeless, please. He does amazing YouTube videos as well, one of my mates, but in Bognor as well. my mate who live here, they do amazing content here as well. So yeah, YouTube is really good, guys. You're definitely getting the YouTube bug I am. I just can't wait to hit 1,000 subscribers. It'll be amazing. But the thing is, guys, once I get to 1,000 subscribers, then I can start earning money making YouTube. And also I can go live for you lot, and I'll be doing proper things differently this time. I'll be editing and all that. There's nothing coming out. This is what is here, of course. Cash change thing there if you want to make money. You've got the house one down here and all that. It's good up there. It's very windy. Look at that storm cloud where the sun is setting. The time is right now, guys, it's 26 minutes past 6 in the evening. It's very busy down here, guys, for Monday the 28th of February 2022, guys. Tomorrow's the first day of March, and what that means, first day of spring. Technically, winter's over. So I'll only be in my winter clothes when I get home for 6 weeks, and then April time I'll be in my shorts. I do wear my shorts in March if it's nice and sunny. Good restaurants down here on the right hand side if you go down there, where I went with my mate Harry the other day. Really good food with my mate David and Harry. We went down there.
Hi Stuart.
Hey.
How are you?
Not bad, just doing a YouTube video.
Yeah, okay.
So.
I'm not gonna interrupt. Enjoy.
We'll do see you soon. That one of my friend. So souvenirs up there. Of course. Got Rock Cafe over there, really good band there. I'm going there tomorrow night as the reggae guy Michael is playing tomorrow night. Nice. I'm on the engine, I want to hear that noise. I love it. Sport cars. So yeah, guys, I'm walking a bit faster now. For my blister not hurting too much now. Well, it's good. Yeah, can't wait to get back home to England. Catch up on my TV shows and all that and programmes. Catch up on EastEnders, Canary Street and Emmerdale. And also catch up on all the other stuff as well. It's going to be good. Then maybe this Friday I might go out on the day trip to Brighton or something, I'm not sure yet. See my friends, but I probably won't because I need relax my feet so my blister can heal up. Oh yeah, it's busy down here. Wow, it's busy. The Formula 1 car in there, guys, of course. Now we're in corralejo main strip now. I'm gonna walk from here down to the shell garage. Hey, Pete's down there. And you can see how busy it is. I'm gonna go back to the hostel, charge up my phone, my get the drone up as well for the sunset. Fly from my hostel. Could be good. So I'm not talking much, guys. All the good restaurants here. We are at overnight with David and Harry. Good burger place. Alma. Going there, they do good burgers. Really good. Tonight for dinner I might have chicken and mushroom and chips tonight at a restaurant we are going to tonight with my mate. Oh yeah, it's windy. I know I keep saying it, it's very windy. Oh, I've got Billabong surf shop in there. It's good. Police station down there. Steakhouse here on the right. Very expensive in there. So I don't recommend going to that place, guys, because it's very expensive. Oh. Of course, this is all the nightlife stuff here. Down here, got Kiwi Bar there. Of course. All the souvenir. Got Kiwi Bar here. It's a good place for nightlife down here. It is really good. I'm going to show you how to get to Flits. You come up here. This is all the nightlife stuff up here, guys. Good Kiwi Bar there. That is also a good night place as well, this place. My mate working there, so come in here. Of course, you've got Flix Bar there, up where I go out every night. Really good, guys. I recommend come down to Flix. It's a good karaoke bar. They open from 9 PM to 2 AM under COVID restrictions. Really good place there, guys. And you've got another nightlife there, another one. This is a good place as well. Disco style good as well. So yeah, pretty much you got everything here. It's really good, guys. All the nightlife here open from 9 PM and stay open until 4 AM in the morning. So yeah. Remember, guys, click that subscribe button, so click that notification bell, you'll be notified of updating new YouTube videos. So thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So I'll be out here tonight. I'm out here every night. People down there. What have I got here? Of course. So that where Flix is there. So yeah, all the restaurants. Alright guys, gonna end the vlog now. So cool guys, remember click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click that notification bell. You'll be notified out to update new YouTube video. Catch you all later. Bye for now guys. From Fuerteventura. Catch you later. Bye. I know, so this we live up here in the hostel, just here. So yeah. Alright, catch you all later guys.